Welcome back to the Reclaim and Restore Your Core series for postpartum moms. Honestly, for anybody who needs to strengthen their core, fix their diastasis recti, heal their pelvic floor, this is for you. Today we're doing a workout with 4 exercises. We're going to do 30 seconds, 35 seconds on, and 10 seconds rest. We're going to start with the hardest one, and it's going to move and be easier because you are stronger than you think. So grab a mat, that's all you need, and a big glass of water, and I'll see you in a sec.
I said let go.
3, 2, 1, rest.
I said let go. I said let go.
3, 2, 1, rest.
I said let go.
Rest.
I said let go.
3, 2, 1, rest. Three, 2, 1, rest. 2, 1, rest. Rest. 3, 2, 1, rest. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, rest.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see
2,
it. See
1,
how
rest.
rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do.
3, 2, 1,
Show me
rest.
something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way.
And that's it for week 2. Remember that if you are feeling great and you want to repeat this workout, you can, but your body is also recovering from something amazing and massive and huge, and rest is your friend. So, take care of yourself. And I'll see you next time. Love ya! See ya, pizza!